Drone shot of Martinsburg, Pennsylvania. Drone shot of outside of warehouse.
Hi, Luke Sessa from the H.H.
Intro of
Brown
man
Work
in
and
a
Outdoor
boot
Group.
factory
Our
talking
brands
to camera.
include Carolina, Double H, Matterhorn, Corcoran, and Phantom Rider.
Female worker
We're here
pulling
on the
carts
floor of our
boots.
factory in Martinsburg, Pennsylvania,
Male
where we are
employee
still
working on
making boots
factory
here at
floor.
home and still making American-made boots
Boots
as
sold,
we have
placed
for
on
over
heat
70
rack.
years. We have
Close-up
not
of
moved all
various
of our
boot
production
pieces being
overseas to China
stitched.
or over to Mexico. Now, challenges over the past several
Finished
years
boots
have
stained
caused
with
us to make
fire.
some adjustments. We've had to
Sewing machines
prioritize a lot of
stitching
our
random boot
top-selling
parts.
styles over some of the less
Finished
performing
boots are
styles.
packed in
But we are
boxes.
making as many pairs as we can each and every week. Also, as we've been doing for
Boot is
decades,
being wiped
we do
down with a
import
cloth.
shoes from all over the world, places like Asia and Mexico. This allows us to have a wide variety of different styles
Sewing machine
and looks
stitching
for your
boot
various
design
different
pattern.
work needs. If American-made is what you're looking for and you want to be sure your boots were made here, just look for the
An
American
flag patch
All
is
the
sewn to
boots we
part of
make here in
boot.
Pennsylvania
Side angle of a
feature an
finished
American
boot on
flag
rack.
on the
Close-up
side
of a
and a union
patch
label
being
on the
sewn
inside.
to a boot
They're
tongue.
also packed in
Shot of
unmistakable
cardboard
boxes
being folded into a
featuring our great
box.
flag. Oh, and about the global parts. Sometimes we need
More
to buy
boots sitting on
components from
assembly
other
racks.
countries, but rest assured, our boots are made here
Close-up and
by
medium
these fine
shots of
workers.
employees working
So
at their
even
stations.
though our lines do include styles that we import from other countries, we will continue to make boots here.
Overhead
and
shot of
offer unique
forklift
quality
moving pallets
footwear
of
for every
boxes.
job, every
Forklift
worker,
operator
and every
loading
personal
pallets
preference
onto
that
trailer.
Each of you have. None of this
Outro
would be
of man
possible
in
without
boot
your
factory.
continued support, and for that, we thank you.
Overhead angle shot of finished boots on rack. Drone shot of town with brand logos.